Hello everyone, my name is messenger ribonucleic acid, mRNA for short, vaccine, and welcome to a mini documentary all about me. I was born around 1960 in a cobblestone lab in California, and I was created by a wonderful scientist named Robert Malone. I owe much of my existence to Mr. Malone, who experienced manipulating various strands of mRNA with some fat to create a molecular mixture. From the RNA Genome Project and the subsequent momentum of hundreds of researchers allowed my existence to become a reality. And now, here I am. I began as an RNA Genome Project that directly resulted from the knowledge gained from researchers who were all in this pursuit of knowledge. Now, I also have to give credit to my ancestors. In the late 1970s, scientists used liposomes, which are phytic membrane structures, to carry mRNA into my cells. And then, in the 1980s, a few scientists were able to artificially make mRNA in the lab. So basically, I come from a pretty cool family, and I'm honored to be making them proud. Now, a little bit about me. I fit into a needle very well, and I get injected into the flesh of a human to protect against the virus. Then, once I'm inside the human body, I tell it to develop a specific protein which creates an immune response. Don't worry, there's no interaction with your DNA. This technology has been thought of as the new method, yet has been in research and development phase for many decades. Also, when considering traditional vaccines, they are based on providing an individual the viral proteins, that is a small dose of the virus that brings forth an immune response. Yet, the mRNA is a foundational piece that does not have the virus but gives the cells in your body the recipe for making the viral protein. The DNA is used to construct the proteins. I am a technology that is delivered by the institutions and decisions society and people make as to whether they want to inject themselves with my mixture of delivered immunity. As much as I love myself, I do realize that my name draws several cultural assumptions. I have impacted a global ecosystem with actors moving at an accelerated pace to keep up with replicating supply and demand. From investors in synthetic biology to procurement infrastructure and distribution, there are numerous stakeholders involved throughout my development lifecycle. Research universities have played a huge role in my vaccine development lifecycle. My wonderful friends at University of Pennsylvania were instrumental in my creation, as two amazing scientists there made my technology. I've been privileged enough to have had a lot of money being poured into my existence. In fact, it's estimated that the Biomedical Research and Development Authority, or BARDA for short, alone has spent $19.3 billion on COVID-19 vaccine development. It's been taxpayer money from individuals like you that have helped fund research at universities and government centers. So I guess that makes all of you my wonderful sidekicks. In fact, new opportunities for advancement is being advanced by the National Institutes of Health is taking part in the first phase of clinical trials for 3 HIV vaccines that are from the building blocks of messenger RNA, and this has been crucial for the COVID pandemic vaccines. The National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases supports the trial and study of future HIV vaccines. I would also like to thank the myriad of stakeholders that help make my life possible. Organizations such as the Federal Drug Administration and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and companies such as Moderna and biotech were crucial in manufacturing and distributing me to millions of people. I honestly would not be the superhero that I am without them. So thank you. Overall, there are more research groups in the US still working on ribonucleic messenger-based systems. All understandings of DNA are chemical processes that are still being further developed for DNA and RNA. This enables the expansion of fundamental chemical knowledge, genetic knowledge, and RNA manipulative knowledge that occur inside university research departments. More versions of me are being created to enhance the understanding of DNA systems and technologies, biomolecular systems, biocomputational systems that are designed to work with DNA and RNA in complexity. The public should care about me because future preventative measures can be a viability for the use in treating other diseases such as malaria, cystic fibrosis, and tuberculosis. In all honesty, I am very much a medical breakthrough because without me, much of the United States and the world would need assistance in combating other infectious diseases. So I wouldn't mind a little thank you here and there, just saying. Every day, the lovely scientists and researchers are trying to make me the best version of myself. So I'm sorry to disappoint if you thought you wouldn't hear from me anymore, but I'm here to say, and I know that I'm not perfect, no one is. Some of my weaknesses include the fact that I could elicit unforeseen effects in an individual despite the numerous phases that I have to go through to be approved by the FDA. Also, further research and development may develop tools that may be accessible to other countries across the globe. I hope this video has informed you about the impact that I have on individuals and greater society as a whole. I've had the amazing opportunity to save countless lives, and not to brag, but without the COVID vaccines, there would have been so many more deaths. Additionally, hospitalization and long COVID symptoms are much less likely among vaccinated individuals. So thank you for coming to this documentary all about myself. I hope you learned to love me a little bit more, and thank you for all of you guys for being the amazing sidekicks I always hope to have. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!